Hi guys! Welcome to our new episode of Know Your Gear. So, andito na tayo ngayon sa Premier Heavy Equipment Yard kasama si Engineer Andre para alamin ang panibagong heavy equipment at specs nito. So, Engineer, anong klaseng Sany excavator ito at ang specs nito?
So this one is the SY215C Sany excavator, and this one offers a 160 horsepower 4M50 engine, which I can assure you a superb performance in all of your works. Now let's come closer to the equipment. So this one is a 1.2 meter cube of bucket capacity, which you can use for digging, lifting, and other scope of works, which making it versatile. Also, with other Sany equipment models, this has designed with a hydraulic system that is advanced and uses a Kawasaki pump. And also, it has an advanced cooling system to ensure the comfort of the operators and the equipment's efficiency and reliability.
Wow, efficiency and reliability. So, thank you for that information, Engineer. So, for more information, visit our website or contact your local dealer today. So,
Kita-kits sa site!
that's it guys! See you in the next episode! Bye!